Today I'm sitting at a cafe in the heart of Cusco, Peru, just having finished our Widows in the Wild with Kids trip into Machu Picchu, and I just wanted to talk today about the power and beauty of traveling as a widow in a group. There are so many ways to do this. There are two ways that we offer through Widows in the Wild. One of them is to bring your kids, and I just want to give you a highlight reel today of what that was like for us, what it's been like in the past, and then how that has an impact on your grief journey. We did so many amazing things while we were here in Cusco, from a scavenger hunt all throughout the city to taking the Peru rail train all the way into Aguascalientes, going up to Machu Picchu, seeing the Incan ruins that are scattered throughout the Sacred Valley. And all of that is absolutely amazing. But one of the most impactful and meaningful parts of traveling like this is the ability to do it with other widowed moms who are here with their kids. It's just such a unique opportunity. I don't know of any other that exists like it, so I wanted to bring it to YouTube today just so that you can kind of get a glimpse of what it looks like when we all get together like this. There were so many moments this week where the big kids were taking care of the little kids, or the big kids were connecting and the little kids were playing. The moms are taking care of each other's kids. The whole thing is really just so beautiful. And even though the kids don't often talk about the deaths of their dads or the difficult things and the hard things that they've been through, they have a connection pretty quickly when they arrive together because they just know. Some kids, of course, are more reluctant to open up and stay within their family circles. Others are more outgoing. Throughout the week, everybody finds somebody who they're able to spend good time with and really connect with. Having heard from so many of the moms by the end of the week, I know one of the big things for people is they really want to travel again after their spouse dies, but they really feel like doing it with their children is overwhelming and logistically incredibly difficult. So that's one of the beauties of traveling with us through Widows in the Wild, is that we handle logistics for you. You just sign up for the trip and then you arrive, and we will take you all over the place. We'll handle tickets and many meals, things like that, so that you can just show up, connect with people, and experience the location. So you've gotten a little bit of a taste of what we do with Widows in the Wild, and I just want to invite you to join us. The community is building and growing. There is really a familial aspect to it, and we would love to bring you into the fold. So check out www.widowstravel.com for all of our upcoming trips. Make sure you get on that email list. You will be first to be notified when a trip goes live so that you can sign up and grab your spot. I would love to hear your questions in the comments down below, or your hesitations to start traveling with your kids. Looking forward to hearing more. Bye.